Let us see how I created this forest in Blender. First of all, we need a reference image. I have searched some images in Pinterest. Now let's start with Blender. Create a plane by Shift A. And scale the plane. Go to Edit Mode and give Subdivide and give number of cuts 10. In Modify tab, give Subdivision Surface. In Edit Mode, click A and select All and give another Subdivide, give number of cuts 2. And go to Sculpt Mode. Sculpt the plane as seen, give a look of a terrain. Go back to Object Mode. Go to Preference, in Add-ons, type Tree and tick the Sapling Tree Gen. Shift A, go to Curves and select Sapling Tree Gen. Do some tweaking in the settings and increase the branch size. Finally enabled Show Leaves. Adjust the size of leaves. Scale the tree accordingly and place it on the plane. Shift E and make copies. Shift A and make another tree, tweak the leaves and place accordingly. Shift E and make copies. Select all the trees and press M to add in collection. Select the leaf and Shift D for a copy to use as grass. Select the plane and go to Particles tab and add particle. Click Hair. Scroll down to Render tab and change Render as to Object. Go to Instance and select the object as shown. To control the scatter, go to Weight Paint. Paint the area you want the grass to be. Go to Object Data Properties and you can see in Vortex Group a new group created. Go to Particles tab, scroll down to Vortex Group and in Density, select that group. In Particle tab, go to Render and scale the size of the grass. Now we need to texture the trees and leaves. Select the tree and go to Shading tab to make a texture. Click New in Shading tab and we need a texture for the tree. Shift A, type Image Texture to add a node. Connect Color to Base Color. Click Open and select an image for the texture. Go to Preference Add-ons and type Wrangler, tick the add-ons. Click the Image Texture node and Ctrl T, now you can scale the UV. Shift A and search Normal Map, connect Alpha to Strength and Color to Color. Shift A, add bump, connect normal map to bump normal. Connect bump map to normal. Connect alpha to height. Select all trees collection, select the texture branch, hit Ctrl L. Select material to link, this will give all the same texture. Select the leaves and give a new texture. Same steps as before, select a leaf texture. Link to all leaves by Ctrl L. Download a free deer models and place it on the center. Go to Shading and in World tab, add a volume scatter, principal volume, and connect to add shatter. Tweak the settings accordingly for the fog effect. For the moon, keep a UV sphere and give emission shader in material properties. And your scene is almost ready for render. Shift A, add area light. Tweak the settings and positions. If plain ground texture. Take your time and tweak the lighting. If render after all tweaks. This is our final output and give some background sounds. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting tutorials.